And don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, it's Scott with RVFix. Today we're going to go over yearly maintenance that needs to be done on your slim rack slide system. Slim rack system, you can tell, is an in-wall system. You're going to have some black rails like these, top and bottom. You got a motor up in the top with a drive shaft that runs down. You have that on both sides. Maintenance on these is very simple. We don't want to do a lot of lubrication, preferably none when it comes to the system. You're just going to want to make sure you're clean. So just take you a rag, get into your tracks here, and just get them cleaned off. Whether you want to use compressed air, I like to use a brush, and you can just kind of clean, just make sure. Also, when you're doing that, you're going to make sure you do not have anything wearing or chips or chunks missing out of them. You will see on these that they will have a different bow to them. That is normal. They are designed to flex, and they will have a bow, whether it be in or out. Part of the other maintenance you want to do is you want to be looking. You want to checking your seals, making sure your seal along your flanges are good and sealed. You want to make sure all your screws, bolts if you have them, are tight. Nothing's fell off, nothing's broke. All along your fascias, you'll have some. Just a simple 100% clear silicone is a great way to seal these up if you've got any voids. A little preventive maintenance goes a long way when it comes to a slide room.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.